Hi, so we're part 2. It's not a new day, I'm just doing it a bit after, and this is the soul cube from earlier, and my mum is going to mix it up for me, so there she goes. I'm not even looking.
Right, there you go.
Okay, okay, that's good. So, I'm going to try and do it quicker. I think I did it 2 minutes 16 last time. I'm going to try and beat that. Okay, go. Okay, got that. Just keeps on locking over. Keeps on locking up. Okay, we got that. I might not do it quicker this time, actually. Yeah, I'm definitely not doing it quicker. But I am gonna do it. Okay, I passed it. Okay, so I've not got my record. Okay, I've done it. I didn't get my record. I was close. Oh my god.
You might have done, because you videoed to start with.
Oh yeah.
We need to work it out, so pause
Oh
it.
yeah, so it is. Okay, yeah, so this is the second time. I'm gonna find out what it is. So we are gonna make a part 3 tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow, or something. And bye. See you next time.